Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can create a digital signature for photos on the iPhone running iOS 15. Now first let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Photos. Once you have opened up the Photos app, tap on Library at the bottom and then select a photo from your Photos library. Next, tap on the Edit button at the top and then tap on the marker icon. Now tap on OK to turn off live photo for your picture. And next, tap on the Add button at the bottom. And from the pop-up menu, choose Signature. Alright, in here I have already created one signature. Now tap on Add or Remove Signature. So in here, if you want, you can remove an existing signature. And you can also tap on the Add button to create a new signature. Okay, if you look at the bottom here, it says sign your name using your finger. So if you make a mistake, you can tap on the clear button and we can try it again. Okay, so IG Django's signature and then tap on done. Alright, so once it is done, it will insert the signature into your photo. You can see I can move it around the picture. I can resize the signature and then tap on done. Okay, and then tap on done again. Alright, let's see how you can apply that same signature to another photo. So if I open up this picture right here, if I tap on edit and then tap on the marker icon at the top, next tap on the add button, choose signature, and from here I can simply tap on that signature to insert it into the photo. And that's it. So we have now successfully created a digital signature and we can reuse it for other photos on the iPhone running iOS 15. And that's it. Finally, just tap on done to finish. And then tap on done at the bottom or cancel. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.